Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons. Well, today we're going to take a little drive down to New Orleans, and we're going to take a little cartoon lesson on how to draw a cute alligator. You don't think they're cute, but if you make them into a cartoon, anything is cute. All right, so if you have your supersized pencil like I do, or maybe you don't, that's all right. If you have a pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and what can you learn from this lesson today? Cartoons are fun. Cartoons are cute, or sometimes really edgy too. Well, this was not an edgy, this was more of a cute one. Well, what I say from time to time, I'm going to say it again. Practice your sketching. Take your pencil and some paper and sketch whatever you want to do right now. I just took something like a little cute little alligator from down on New Orleans. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the lesson again, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click that little button there. Simple as can be. You get all the updates instantaneously. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.